To start with the question number 6. A 1.5 tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. So 30 meter is a tall building. This is a height of a boy, and from here is eye, so he is seeing from here to the top of the tower. Got it? So a 1.5 tall boy is standing at a distance. Okay, so 1.5 tall boy is standing 30 meter from the tall building. So this is 30 meter from here to here. So height is 30 meter. Height is given. A 30 meter tall building. So height of a building is 30 meter. It is given. Okay. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the building. From here it is eye at point B. He is seeing to the top of a building which is point A, which is making an angle of 30 degree. Is it? So angle of elevation from his eye to the top of a building increases from 30 to 60. As he walked towards the building, 60 degree. Now he walked from here to B and to the C. When he comes, the angle of elevation becomes 60 degree. Is it? So as he walked towards the building, find the distance he walked towards the building. So he walked from B to C. So B to C we have to find. Is it? Okay. So we have to find what is B to C. It is a 1.5. So what we have to take first, we can take this or this. So what is given to us is 30. So this is given. We have to find this one. So it is symbol is that it is, say, against theta it is P, and against what? This is the distance. So it is X, or we can say B. So P by B. Relation P by B is 10. So we'll apply 10 or 2 both this. Okay. So let's see AD. Here AD we have to find. What is AD? It is AG minus DG. So it is 1.5. BE is equal to DG. Why BE is equal to DG? Because BDGE is a rectangle, and in a rectangle opposites sides are equal, so BE equal to DG. So we have to find AD. How will find? It is AG minus DG. Okay, AG minus DG. This minus this one will give you this AD. So you have to find AD. So what is AD? AD is equal to AG minus DG. This is 30 minus 1.5, so 28.5 meter. Okay, so take the triangle. What is which triangle will take first here? A, B, D. Which triangle? In triangle A, B, D. So in triangle A, B, D, tan 30 is equal to AD upon BD. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 upon BD. So BD will be equal to, if you multiply here, root 3 and the 28 will multiply. So BD will be equal to 28.5 into root 3 meter first. In triangle ACD, tan 60 will be equal to AD upon CD. Tan 60 is root 3 and AD is 28.5 upon CD. So CD is 28.5 upon root 3. This is first and second. Okay. So what will we want to find? We have to find what is BC. We know BC. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So he walked from B and to C, and he started observing from here to the top of the building. So BC is the distance. So BC is what? BD minus CD. Okay. BD minus CD. So BD is what? 28.5 into 28.5 root 3, and CD is 28.5 upon root 3. So from first and second, BC will be BD minus CD. Okay, 28 and 28.5. BC is equal to 28.5. Okay, here it is 28.5 root 3 upon 1. Here 28.5. So root 3 is a LCM, so it is written here. Root 3 will be multiplied here. It is a LCM here 1. It is already root 3, so 1. Is it? Understand? You understand or not? How we do it? See, 28.5 upon root 3 upon 1. It is 28.5 upon root 3. By which number will multiply 1 to get root 3? Root 3. By which number will multiply root 3 to get root 3? It is already root 3. You will multiply 1. So this thing which is written in the bracket will multiply up. This thing which is written here in the bracket will multiply up. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 80.5, 28.5 is 85.5 minus, and here it is a 1. So 1 multiplied with 28.5, it will be 28.5. If you subtract it, you will get BC is equal to 57 upon root 3. 57 is a multiple of 3. So 19 into 3 will give 57. So 3 is root 3 into root 3, so 1 root 3 will cancel out, so BC will be equal to 19 root 3. Hence the distance he walked towards the building is 19 root 3 meter. Okay. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top and the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at a top of a 20 meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower. You have to find the height of the tower which is over a 20 meter high building. So it is a building, 20 meter high building, and it is a tower. Okay. What is written first? Bottom, and then after top. Bottom means bottom is 45 degree and top means 60 degree. So he is seeing the point angle of elevation from the point on observation. First he see the bottom. Is it? Here it is written bottom. So first he see the bottom of the tower. So from here you see the bottom of the tower making an angle of 45 degree. Making an angle of 45 degree, and to the top making an angle of 60 degree. What you have to find? Find the height of the tower. You have to find this height of the tower. Let y will be the AB, or y will be the height of the tower. Is it? So it is very necessary to describe what is your AB, BC and DC. Is it? Introduction must be written. So what is a DC? The distance between the foot of the building and the point of observation. The DC is the distance between the foot of the tower and point of observation on the ground. Is it? X meter. BC is the height of the building, which is 20 meter, and AB is the height of the tower, which is Y meter. Okay. So let's start with here in triangle BDC. In triangle BDC, 1045 degree. Okay, because what is known to us, this P, and what you have to find? B. Okay, so P by B is 10, so we will apply 10. So 1045 degrees BC upon DC. 1045 is 1 and BC is 20, DC is X, so X is equal to 20 meter. Now in triangle top ADC, what is the angle? 60 degree. What we want to find? This. So y plus 20 and X we already know. So what is that? P and B, again here 10. So 1060 is equal to AC whole distance, AC whole distance upon DC. So 1060 is equal to AC upon DC. So 1060 is root 3. Here it is 20 plus y upon x. Okay, so if you multiply here, so you will get x into root 3 is equal to 20 plus x. You can also write it is root 3x. Substituting the value of x is what? 20. So 20 root 3 is equal to 20y. If you take 20 on this side, it will be minus. So 20 root 3 minus 20 is equal to y. If you take 20 common, you will get root 3 minus 1 is equal to y. So y is equal to 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. So the height of the tower is 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. Very important to write the result. A statue 1.6 meter tall stand on a top of a pedestal. Pedestal means you understand it is a stand. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of a top of a statue is 60 degree. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of a top of a statue is 60 degree, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of a pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of pedestal here. Is it? So this is pedestal, and here statue is 1.6 meter. So first, it is observed top of a pedestal, top of a statue. So when you observe from the point D, A is a top of a statue. So that make an angle of 60 degree. And when he see from the same point, means point D on the ground, he observe point B, the bottom or top of a pedestal. Is it? Okay. Then that's make an angle of 45 degree. So again, what is AB and BC and DC, or everything you have to write? That is very much important. What is DC? DC, the distance between the foot of pedestal and the point of observation on the ground. Let's take that as x meter. AB, the height of the statue, it is 1.6 meter, and BC, the height of the pedestal, which is we have to find, which is y meter. So in triangle BDC, so in triangle BDC, tan 45 is equal to y upon x, or we can say it is BC upon DC. So tan 45 is BC upon DC, it is equal to tan 45 is 1, so y upon x, so x is equal to y, that is first. In triangle ADC, tan 60 is equal to AC upon DC, that is tan 60 is root 3 and AC is 1.6 plus y upon x. Is it? Okay. So x is equal to y. First, from the equation 1, x is equal to y. So in place of x, you write y because you have to find y only. Is it? So if you multiply here, so what you will get? Root 3y is equal to 1.6 plus y. Okay. So root 3y is equal to 1.6 plus y. Y will come here, so it will be minus. Y will taken common, so what will get? Y common, so root 3 minus 1, and it is 1.6. So y is equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. Since we never keep anything in the root form in the denominator, so it has to be conjugate. Conjugate means you have to multiply with opposite sign of this. What is opposite sign of this? Root 3 minus 1, it is root 3 plus 1. So y is equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. It has to be multiplied with the same numerator and denominator, so it can be cancelled out. Is it? Again you will get the same thing. So now it is 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. Now here denominator root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. So what is that? A minus b, a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. So what is root 3 square? 3 minus 1, so minus 1. So what is that? 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 minus upon root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 is 2, so it will be cancelling out. So y is equal to 0.8 in the bracket root 3 plus 1. Okay. So the height of the pedestal is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Come to next question. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the foot of a building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of a building. So this is a tower which is 50 meter, and this is a building. From the bottom of a building, you are seeing the top of a tower, making an angle of 60 degree. And from the bottom of a tower using the top of a building which is making a 30 degree. We need to find what is the height of a building. Let the height of the building will be by meter, is it? So again, one more thing, let's see here and say that we have to find x and y. So what is the relation of x and y? Means p by b, again 10. Here also we say x and y, so it is p and b, again 60 will be also 10 and 30 will also 10. We'll apply 10 function to both of the triangle. So here BC is what? The distance between the base of the building and the base of the tower, x meter. AB is the height of the tower, which is 50 meters. CD is the height of the building, which is y meter we are taken. Okay. So in triangle DBC 10 30 is 1 by root 3 DC upon BC. So 1 by root 3 is y upon x. So if you cross multiply it, x will be equal to y root 3 meter. This is first. In triangle ACB, tan 60 is equal to AB upon BC, which is root 3 50 upon x. If you cross multiply, you will get what? Separate, you will cross multiply, then you will get root 3 x is equal to 50. Okay, understand? So y is equal to, if you substitute here from this, substitute x here, or you keep here better. Okay, write like this, root 3x is equal to 50. Now you substitute here x from here. So what equal to root 3 in the bracket x. X is what? Y root 3. Okay, is equal to 50. So this is, so what you get? Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3y is equal to 50. So y is equal to 50 by 3. So y is equal to 16 to root 3 by n. Okay, this is your answer. So the height of the building is 16 2 by 3 meter.